These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin trades above $23,000. Ether trades below $1,700. Metaverse token Gamium surges 340% after Meta and Telefonica partnership announcement. Crypto custodian Finoa gets license approvals from German regulator BaFin. Algorand wallet MyAlgo struck by $9.6 million exploit. Volt Inu releases alpha version of NFT-Focused battle Royale game. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets were trading lower on Tuesday as prospect of higher for longer interest rates to damp inflation continues to weigh on risky assets. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.5% at 33,000 points. In another interesting news, Coinbase will suspend trading of Binance USD from March 13, 2023, the US crypto exchange has said. The suspension is based on the internal monitoring process of Coinbase, which found that stablecoin does not meet its listing standards, analysts said. The words of caution coming from Arthur Hayes, co-founder and former CEO of crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX. He warned that a massive cryptocurrency price correction is on the cards. But he noted that after it, there could be a sustained bull run he is super bullish about. The latter data remained consistent with the strong and the resilient US economy, calling for more rate hikes from the Federal Reserve to slow inflation. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization was trading at $1.06 trillion, decreasing 0.6% in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market volume increased by 26% to stand at $46 billion. With the increasing popularity of liquid staking, the sector has become the second largest crypto branch in terms of combined total value locked. According to data by DeFi Llama, over $14 billion worth of digital assets has been deposited in 71 liquid staking protocols. Liquid staking allows users to earn rewards for locking cryptocurrencies in a blockchain network while retaining liquidity of locked funds. The surge in interest in liquid staking comes amid growing excitement around the upcoming Shanghai upgrade. Stock futures fell slightly as investors braced for the final trading day of February. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 11 points or 0.03%, while S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.04% and 0.06% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $23,358, down 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.8%, trading at $1,625. The Ethereum blockchain's Sepolia testnet has undergone a successful upgrade that simulates the upcoming Shanghai hard fork that is expected to take place in March on the network's mainnet. In another interesting news, an Ethereum ICO era whale transferred ETH worth $65 million last week ahead of the key Shapira blockchain upgrade that kicked in this week. BNB was down by 1% to trade at $301. Solana SOL was down 2.5% and was trading at $22.2. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17.5, lower 3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.3% to trade at $1.2. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.1% to trade at $0.36. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.3%. Polkadot was down by 2% to trade at $6.5. However, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.6% at $0.081. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.37, up by 0.8%.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Metaverse project Gamium's native token GMM has surged by 340% to $0.0025 on Tuesday after the project announced deals with social media giant Meta and telecommunications firm Telefonica. Gamium will work with Meta and Telefonica on the Metaverse activation program, an initiative launched to help and scale startups within the Web3 industry, according to an announcement on Monday. Startups will have access to proprietary technologies provided by Meta AI. They will also be given commercial support by both Meta and Telefonica. Cryptocurrency custodian Finoa has received 3 license approvals from Germany's financial regulator BaFin, going against the grain of regulatory clampdowns and uncertainty happening elsewhere in the crypto space. Finoa, which has been operating under a preliminary crypto custody license since January 2020, also closed a strategic venture round led by new investor Middle Game Ventures and including existing investors Baldotten Capital, Coperion, Venture Stars and Signature Ventures. The size of the investment was not disclosed. Given the general state of regulatory uncertainty across crypto markets, including the US Securities and Exchange Commission recently announcing plans to focus specifically on crypto custodians, the seal of approval from BaFin could not come at a better time, said Finoa co-founder Chris May. In addition to the custody approval, Finoa received the go-ahead for broker-dealer and prop trading licenses, which allows the firm to trade with its own treasury but not against its customers, May pointed out. MyAlgo, a native wallet for blockchain protocol Algorand, has advised users to withdraw funds it was struck by an exploit last week. Blockchain sleuth Zach XBT said that 19.5 million Algo and 3.5 million USDC worth $9.6 million has been stolen. Centralized exchange ChangeNow has frozen $1.5 million. Algorand CTO John Woods said that 25 wallets have been impacted and that the exploit is not the result of an underlying issue with the Algorand protocol or SDK. Woods added that he will post and explain a video once the investigation into the hack concludes. MyAlgo said that it does not know the root cause of the exploit. The price of the Algorand token is down by 1.05% over the past 24 hours following the hack. It trades at $0.25. Crypto project Voltino has released the first version of its NFT-focused Battle Royale game that is currently playable on personal computers. Battle Royale is an online multiplayer video game genre that blends last man standing gameplay with the survival, exploration and scavenging elements of a survival game. Such games are massive revenue generators for gaming studios. Popular battle royale game Fortnite is reported to have made over $9 billion in revenue for parent company Epic Games in the first 2 years after its release. The game shall feature the Voltino NFT collection Vaulted Dragon Sailor Club, although specifics will be made public in the coming weeks. VDSC is a collection of 10,000 dragons and has a current floor price of 0.5 Ether, amounting to $813 on NFT marketplace OpenSea. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Coinbase announced on February 27 that it intends to suspend trading in Binance stablecoin in 2 weeks. Coinbase stated in a pair of tweets that the Binance USD trading suspension will begin on March 13th. According to the company's tweets, those who have BUSD on the crypto exchange will continue to have access to it and have the ability to withdraw afterwards. According to Binance's website, there are 6.3 million BUSD holders as of February 28th. BUSD was trading at $1, up 0.02% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $10 billion. The price of Floki Inu has dropped by more than 16% in the last 24 hours. This drop comes after gaining significant momentum over the previous 2 days. However, the crypto meme has taken a hit in the last day. However, it appears that the Ethereum whales are not relenting. WhaleStats, the whale monitoring platform, released transaction data for the first 100 Ethereum whales this morning. Floki Inu is the top 10 most purchased tokens among the top 100 Ethereum whales in the last 24 hours according to these results. Furthermore, Floki has changed the time zone for the most traded token among the top 500 BSC whales. According to data provided by Whale Stats, for a brief moment, the token surpassed Doge, SHIB, and GMT in the most traded token category. Floki secured the second position in the ranking after being listed on the KuCoin exchange. Floki was trading 5.61% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 million. Ethereum scaling project Polygon Labs has announced that it has pruned its workforce by 20% after internal consolidation of its teams. The project announced the layoffs in a blog post, becoming the latest Web3 company to do so. Polygon Labs, unlike other industry announcements, confirms that the layoffs are not the result of financial difficulties or current macroeconomic conditions. According to the post, the project has a healthy cash reserve of more than $250 million and 1.9 billion Matic tokens. According to the post, the move was simply an internal restructuring intended to crystallize the company's strategy for the coming years. Employees affected will receive 3 months of severance pay, regardless of their position or tenure with Polygon Labs. Polygon was trading at $1.23, down 2.21% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $10 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV.